Experiencing frequent disconnections, freezing, or dropped signals with your Rogers or Xfinity internet service can be frustrating. Let's address how to fix these issues with actionable steps you can take right away. First, the most common fix is to perform a simple reboot of your modem and router. After rebooting, check your Wi Fi signal strength. Weak signals cause drops. Move closer to the router or use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Interference from microwaves or cordless phones can disrupt Wi Fi, so keep your router away from these devices. Now use the Rogers or Xfinity app to run a speed test. Consistently low speeds indicate a problem with your connection to the provider. For Rogers, if you're in a rural area, the issue might be older coaxial lines. Consider a satellite backup like Starlink. Finally, check for firmware updates on your modem and router. Outdated firmware often causes freezing. These initial steps resolve a significant percentage of connectivity problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, investigate more advanced fixes. Start by logging into your router's settings, usually via a web browser. If SNR is consistently low, indicating interference or line issues, consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system like Eero or Google Nest to eliminate dead zones and improve coverage throughout your home. If network congestion during peak hours is the issue, contact Rogers or Xfinity to inquire about upgrading your service plan to a higher bandwidth tier or a DOCSIS 4.0 modem. Also, evaluate the security of your network. Change your Wi-Fi password to a strong, unique one and enable two-factor authentication on your router to prevent unauthorized access and potential modem hacks. If these steps don't work, schedule a technician visit to inspect your lines and hardware. The technician can identify physical issues like damaged cables or faulty equipment that you can't fix yourself. As a long-term solution, consider the move to full fiber internet. It minimizes disconnections compared to cable-based systems. Remember, user education on basics like cable shielding can prevent 70% of issues.